Hi everyone. Today I am discuss about while loop in Python. Actually in Python loops are two types. First one is for loop, second one is while loop. So for loop is I want to print group of values, then we take for loop. But while loop is uh, I want start the I know about starting point but ending point I don't know. So the group of values are printed, the block of code is executed based on the condition. Okay, the block of code is executed repeatedly based on the condition. So when the condition is false, then only the block of code execution is stopped. In the situation, we take while loop. Okay, so while loop is based on the condition, but for loop is not a condition. It is a, for suppose the array of values for s equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. So here in this situation we know totally 4 elements. So the 4 elements are I print using the for loop. But user enter group of values dynamically, but I don't know how many values are they entered. So in this situation we take while loop. Okay. So for suppose if you take one program example, program for print 1 to 10 numbers. So what is the syntax of the while loop? So here I equal to 1. This is a initialization. Then after that we need to define some condition. Then I less than or equal to 10, print I. Then I equal to I plus 1. So first here it is a initialization, I equal to 1. Okay. After that check the condition. So I less than or equal to 10. The condition is true. Here I means 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. Then it's print I value. Means it's print 1 value. Output is 1. Then I equal to I plus 1. Means I become 2. I increment by 1. Then initially I value is 1. I plus 1 is I plus 1 means I already 1. 1 plus 1 I value is 2. Next 2 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. Then it's print 2. Then 3 less than or equal to 4 less than. Yes, every condition is true. Then print statement is executed. When I value become 11 in the situation, 11 less than or equal to 10. No, the condition is false. Then on the time the block of code execution is stop. Okay, so here while loop is executed the block of code when the condition is false. Okay, so when the condition is false, then automatically control comes out from the while loop automatically. So this is a syntax of the while loop. For example, if you take one more example, see first of all before that I want to execute that program py1.py. This is a command for execute the Python program. So this is a result. One more program for suppose I want print 10 to 1. So initially I want to start from the 10. 10 I value is 10. 10 greater than or equal to 1. Then print I value. Then I value need to reduce the value minus 1. So here 10 greater than or equal to 1. Yes, condition is true. Print 10. Next I equal to I minus 1 means 10 minus 1. Then 10 minus 1 means so 9. 9 value is stored into I. Then 9 greater than or equal to 1. Yes, print 9. Like that 10, 9, 8 up to the condition is false. When condition is false, then automatically control comes out. When its control comes out, I value 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1. No, condition is false. Then on the time control comes out. That's the 10 to 1. So this is a one block of code. Is it possible to define else block for a while? Yes, it is possible. Actually else is a optional block for while loop. Okay, else block. So it is a optional block. It's not a mandatory. It's a extendable block of while. Okay, even for loop also we can define while else block. Same as here also else block is a optional block. is not a mandatory. So if you want, if you require based on the requirement, okay, so that is a else block is a optional block. It's a extendable block of the while loop. Okay, extendable. That's the reason we can access I value also. Whatever variables are there in while loop, those variables we can access in else block. See here, so else block is 0 because of when while loop is block is false, I value become 0, then on the time control comes from the while loop. Okay, so I value 0 print here. So for example, when else block is not executed, see for suppose here if I equal to 7, then break, I using break. So when I value is 7, then I using break statement. So while loop is break. So in that situation else block is not executed. See here, so 10 9 8 7. Okay, when I value is 7, then break the while loop automatically. Okay, then on that situation else block is not executed automatically. Okay, so this is another feature of the while loop. Okay, so this is the main syntax of the scenario. So it's a very easy, it's a logical part of the Python. Okay, yeah, so thank you.